In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration, I've got this PDF document here on my desktop and I want to create a link for this. So what we need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Then from here, click on the 9 dots next to your profile name, and then we need to go to Drive. So we need to upload this document into Google Drive to create this link. This is the best way to do it, and it's also free as well. So once you're here, we want to go ahead and upload that document. So go ahead and click on the new button on the left hand side and click on File, Upload. And now find that document, PDF document. Here it is here. So I want to double click this. And then on the bottom right, it will say uploading one item, and it says upload complete. So I'm going to click onto that link. Now from here, we can go ahead and get that link. So where it says share on the top right hand corner, go ahead and click onto that, click on copy link, and now you've got that link where you can share that to your friends, family, or social medias. And now if you notice, it's got a lock on that share button, so it's private only to me. That's set by default, so we need to change this as well. So click on that share, and then it will say people with access. So currently it's only me, so we can add people, groups, or calendar events to this. Or under general access, we can, where it says restricted, click the little drop down and then click anyone with this link. And then click onto, then we can copy link from here and then click done.